Mihango ya gutheria na kugacirithia motungata ma muingi wa wabici-ini cia uheani wa passport ni ithiite na mbere kunyitithio thing'a, kuria minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Profesa KITHURE KINDIKI atabanire icera ria hinahi wabici-ini icio umuthi niguo kunyabara uria motungata ma muingi wa wabici-ini ici megutwarithagio. KINDIKI acereire honge itiganite cia uheani wa passport nyumba-ini ino ya Nyayo kuria araniirie na Akenya aria megwikinyitie kwiyandikithia kana kuoya passport ciao. Undu umwe na aruti a wira ruhonge ruru kuria araniire kwaga kuhuruka nginya atigirire mihango yothe ya motungata wabici-ini ici ni agacira.
We are going to crack down on them. That crackdown is continuous and expect more arrests, including possibly today. We could have some news, and that process is going to be continuous. It is going to be intelligence-led. It's going to be both overt and covert.
Na haha KINDIKI akira mukonde gwikio ngono na gukinya igoti-ini kwa andu ana aria maramenyerete gwitia AKENYA mahaki niguo macabithirio passport ciao. Guku ningi arutire mukana aruti a wira ruhonge ruru aria maranyitanagira nao kuoya mahaki.
We will clean up this place from corruption, cartels, and anyone who is asking for bribes from this space, whether is a police officer, whether is an immigration officer, whether is a public official of whatever rank, even if they are ordinary citizens who have come to do brokerage for bribes here, we will arrest them and prosecute them.
The government is on top of things as far as this is concerned. DCI has been properly briefed, and we believe that the crackdown that is around Nyayo House will be extended to other towns or other cities like Mombasa, Kisumu, Kisii, and many other areas where there are complaints from Kenyans that are not able to get services because there are people who have been who are suspected to be aiding corruption.
Kuringana na KINDIKI kwa ihinda riri mahotete kunyihia muthianiriro uria urari kuo wa makiria ma passport 100,000 nginya passport 45,000 na irio nacio matanyite kuinina ihinda-ini ria ciumia igiri ciukite murugamo uria wikiritwo ritu ni mwandiki mukaru wa uthami Julius Bitok.
We had over 100,000 applications pending, and more Kenyans were still applying. We have been able in the last 1 month or so to bring down that backlog, including the new applications, to last week 58,000 to today 44,000. And therefore, that has been possible because of the repairs that I've talked about of the equipment, although still we are way below our production capacity.
Iguru ria maya thirikari ni nyitanire na kambuni kiumbirie kumahe macini cia gucabithia passport ici. Iguru ria gukorwo magurite mabuku meru ma gucabithia passport riri matanyite kugacirithia motungata maya nginya ceceni-ini ingi guothe bururi-ini.
We'll acquire as many printers as possible. We will improve on our physical facilities. We are going to make sure this place is efficient. We will surprise Kenyans with a very efficient passport processing and very efficient experience.
We have ordered for new printers. We have also ordered for enough booklets for Kenyans, and that going forward, applying for a passport will take you a maximum of 7 days.
Giri Votera Kameme TV, Jitogo Moura, Wagunya.